All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So local. 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 So something close and not far away. Not from far away. So something close. So he is a local neighbour. Have you been to the local museum? Did you see the local local statue? Not far. Yeah. These are locally grown plants or local plants. Local plants. That is a local shop. Yeah. How cool is that? We always buy local food. Yeah, not far. She is cycling to the local supermarket, market, shop, church, train station. Yeah. She's cycling to the local train station. Very good. Most closest. Yeah. Did you see the local wildlife, the animals in the nature? Yeah. You have to go to the local forest. It is full of nature. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. These are my local forests. Yeah, well, that is our local local path, local river. River that goes through the forest. River that goes through the local forest. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Sometime in the future, we will go to the local museum. Yeah. So, sometime soon, I will take part in a local race. Yeah, running for 10 kilometers. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, local, so something close, not very far. Yeah, local shop, local train station, local local neighbours, local weather, things that happen here. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use local in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.